Welcome to this tutorial on Axie Infinity Wallet Security Best Practices. As a player, it is essential to prioritize the security of your wallet to protect your assets and prevent unauthorized access. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to ensure your wallet is secure. First, it is crucial to understand the importance of using a reputable and trusted wallet. Axie Infinity recommends using the official Ronin wallet, which is designed specifically for the game. This wallet provides an additional layer of security and is regularly updated to prevent vulnerabilities. Next, you should enable two-factor authentication on your wallet. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a verification code sent to your email or phone in addition to your password. To enable two-factor authentication, go to your wallet settings and follow the prompts to set up the authentication method of your choice. Another critical step is to use a strong and unique password for your wallet. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name, birth date, or common words. Instead, use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. It is also essential to keep your password confidential and not share it with anyone. Additionally, you should keep your wallet's software up to date. Regular updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities and protect your wallet from potential threats. To update your wallet, simply go to the official Ronin wallet website and follow the download and installation instructions. It is also recommended to use a hardware wallet, such as a Ledger or Trezor, to store your assets. Hardware wallets provide an additional layer of security by storing your private keys offline, making it more difficult for hackers to access your assets. Finally, be cautious of phishing scams and never click on suspicious links or provide your wallet information to unknown sources. Always verify the authenticity of any website or email claiming to be associated with Axie Infinity or the Ronin wallet. By following these best practices, you can significantly improve the security of your Axie Infinity wallet and protect your assets. Remember to always prioritize security and stay vigilant to potential threats.